In this remote PC review, we will dive deep into its top features to help you decide if it is the key to unlock true flexibility. So, have you ever wanted to use your computer even when you are not right in front of it? That's what remote lets you do. It's like having a remote computer in your pocket. This app lets you connect to your home or work computer from another device. It's like your phone or tablet. Think of it as opening a window to your other computer. This is called remote desktop access. You start to remote section, and just like that, you can get all your files. Remote PC is made by the same people who created iDrive. It's like a service that help you back up your important file, so they know it things all too about keeping your computer stuff safe and easy access. Now, talking about the top features about this platform, these special features help you do more and stay connected in smarter ways. So let's check about some of the best things remote PC can do for you. So one of the best things remote PC can do is attended access, give attended access. It also comes with multi monitors, monitors. It also give access to a remote robot and access to the web. It also give access to USB device redirection. And talking about the pricing plan, it comes with 4 different plans. So it comes with a consumer plan, and the consumer plan 2. Together will be Soho plan and the enterprise plan. So if you want more information about this plan, you can simply get back to the website to check out the features that is basically fixed to each plan, so you can know which plan is best suited for your day-to-day drive activity. So that's it. Talking about the pros and cons about this platform, it is good to understand the pros and cons to help you decide what the platform can do and what it can't. So talking about the good side, which is the pro, it is avoidable pricing. The cross-platform is compatibility. It comes with a rich features and easy to use, which is secure connection. So talking about the downside, which is the limited free plan, and the advanced features may cost extra. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform.